Welcome to the perfect garage management system, your complete all-in-one solution for running a modern auto repair shop. Whether you manage a small local garage or a busy multi-bay workshop, this system brings everything together in one place, from vehicle intake to job tracking, billing, inventory, reporting, and customer communication. Let's begin with the heart of the system, the job card. Job card. At the center of your workflow is the job card. Think of it as a complete digital file for every vehicle that enters your workshop. From the moment a customer reports a complaint to the final payment and closure, everything is recorded here. Creating one is simple. Just click the plus button. Inside each job card, you'll find customer information, vehicle details, service descriptions and complaints, date logged, expected delivery date, assigned tasks, recorded expenses, billing and invoices, uploaded documents, and internal comments. All job-related information stays structured under one record, so you always have a complete history of what was done, who did it, and when. Smart billing. Every job card includes a built-in billing panel. You can add parts or services, quickly search items from inventory, set quantities and pricing, apply discounts at the invoice level, or on specific line items for parts or labor only. If you manually adjust a price, the background turns light orange. Hovering over it shows the original batch price. On the printed invoice, the original price appears crossed out, so pricing adjustments remain visible. You can then choose payment methods such as cash, card, or mobile money. And print or email receipts. Invoice controls. By default, once an invoice is completed, it cannot be modified. If items need to be returned, they can be processed as returns, and the returned lines appear clearly crossed out on the invoice. All actions remain recorded within the system history. Recording job expenses. If you purchase a part externally for a specific job, you can record it under job expenses and then add it to the customer's bill for chargeback. If the part already exists in your inventory, simply add it directly to the invoice. The system will deduct it from stock automatically upon checkout. Vehicle history tracking. The Vehicle tab stores detailed information such as VIN, make and model, year, color, and even a vehicle image. Vehicle details can be updated at any time, and every job completed on that vehicle remains permanently linked to the customer profile. This creates a complete service history that can be referenced in future visits. Task management, structured workflow. You can assign tasks to yourself or other staff members directly within the job card. Define the work to be carried out. Set priority levels such as urgent, high, medium, or low. Assign due dates, and track progress from pending to in progress to completed. The dedicated tasks page allows you to manage tasks across all jobs using a board layout. You can drag a task from the pending column, move it into in progress, and then drag it again into completed once the work is done. This gives supervisors and technicians a clear visual overview of job progress. Files and documentation. Upload photos, diagnostic results, inspection reports, warranty documents, or any supporting files directly into the job card. Files can be dragged and dropped or selected from your device. While the job is open, files can be managed or removed. Once completed, the job becomes a permanent service record. This ensures that every vehicle has a documented history that can be reviewed at any time. Internal comments. Technicians and staff can add internal comments within the job. Each comment is time-stamped and associated with the user who created it. This improves internal communication and ensures clarity when multiple team members are involved in a repair. Print, email, and SMS communication. From the Job toolbar, you can print job summaries, email invoices, or send SMS updates to customers. Customers can be informed when work begins, when additional approval is required, or when the vehicle is ready for collection. Locking and closing jobs. When a job is completed, review the recorded tasks, expenses, and billing. After confirming that everything is correct, click Close to lock the job. A locked job cannot be edited, but documents can still be printed or emailed. The full job history remains available for reference. Customer portal. Customers receive access to a secure online portal. Through the portal, they can book appointments, track job progress, view invoices, make payments, and leave comments or approvals. This provides transparency and reduces back-and-forth communication. Appointment scheduling. Use the appointment module to schedule service drop-offs, inspections, or MOT appointments. From the Appointment tab, you can confirm bookings, edit details, mark no-shows, cancel appointments, or convert the appointment directly into a job card when the customer arrives. There is also a dedicated appointment calendar view, where you can see all scheduled bookings across days, weeks, or months, giving you a full overview of workshop capacity. Customer management. The customer page centralizes all customer information. You can register new customers, add multiple vehicles, review service history, and monitor financial balances. Each customer profile includes tabs for jobs, appointments, tasks, income and expenses, documents, and notes. Balances update automatically as invoices are issued and payments are recorded. From the customer profile, you can generate statements, create new bills, or print payment history. MOT tracking and automated reminders. For each customer vehicle, you can record important dates such as MOT expiry, next service due date, insurance renewal, or any custom reminder. These reminder dates are stored against the vehicle record and can be configured to trigger automatically as the date approaches. The system can send reminder emails and SMS notifications directly to customers, helping them remember upcoming MOT tests or services, while helping your garage maintain repeat business without manual follow-up. Point of sale, counter sales. If you sell parts or accessories directly from your shop, use the built-in point of sale system. Search and add items quickly to the cart, or scan to add via barcode. Adjust quantities and prices. Suspend transactions. Resume them later. Collect payments. And print or send receipts. Inventory is deducted only after checkout is completed. Quotations. Create professional quotations before beginning work. You can print the quotation, email it to the customer, or convert it directly into a job card once the customer approves the estimate. Inventory management. All products are managed from the Products page. For each product, you can define cost price, selling price, stock quantity, shelf location, supplier, barcode, expiry date, category, and image. Low stock alerts can be configured so you are notified when items fall below defined levels. You can also define multiple pricing levels for different customer categories. Purchasing and batch costing stock is added through the purchase page. Low stock items are displayed on the left-hand side. From there, you can select items and create a purchase order. The purchase order can be sent to your supplier without modifying inventory yet. When the supplier delivers the items, you can open the purchase order, adjust quantities if needed, and then reconcile it with your actual received stock. Once confirmed, the inventory is updated and new batches are created. Each purchase creates a separate batch, and every batch maintains its own cost price and selling price. When items are sold, the system dispenses using first in, first out by default. However, you can manually select a specific batch when necessary. Returns. Handling inventory is not deducted while a bill is suspended. Once a bill is checked out, stock is deducted automatically. If an item is returned after checkout, it is returned to the exact batch from which it was originally dispensed. This preserves accurate stock valuation and cost tracking. Picking slip workflow. From the billing panel, you can add comments before suspending a bill. Once suspended, print the draft invoice to use as a picking slip. In the inventory section, retrieve the draft by bill ID. The storekeeper can mark items as collected, and their name is automatically recorded. All actions are time-stamped and stored in the system. Stock taking and audit. The system allows you to perform full stock taking at any time. During a stock take, you compare physical stock quantities against the quantities recorded in the system. You can enter the counted quantities, identify discrepancies, and generate stock sheets for printing. After counting, you can reconcile the stock. Reconciliation updates the system inventory to match the physical quantities while recording the adjustments made. The system also maintains a detailed audit trail. Every change, including stock adjustments, invoice updates, task changes, status updates, and user actions, is logged with timestamps and user identification. If any record is deleted, it is moved to a recycle bin rather than permanently removed, ensuring historical data can still be reviewed when necessary. Sales and reporting. The sales management page provides structured reporting across your workshop operations. You can view sales by day, week, or month. Filter by custom date ranges. Analyze revenue from parts versus labor. Review job-related expenses, and examine payment methods used by customers. The reporting section includes detailed tables and visual summaries, allowing you to track revenue trends, identify high-performing services, and monitor overall workshop performance over time. Sales data can also be downloaded as CSV or Excel files for accounting purposes or deeper financial analysis. User roles and security. Role-based permissions allow you to control system access. You can define which users can view specific pages, create or edit records, manage financial transactions, or perform administrative functions. This ensures operational control and protects sensitive data within your workshop. The perfect garage management system brings together customer management, job tracking, billing, inventory control, reporting, and communication in one structured platform. With this system, you can manage job cards, invoicing, and online payments, appointments and schedule management, customer records with automated MOT and service reminders, inventory management, and detailed reporting. And the system works offline and online, across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. So your garage stays operational wherever you are. It is designed to give your workshop full operational visibility, accurate financial tracking, and organized service records, all within a single system. Sign up now to streamline your garage operations, improve customer service, and take full control of your workshop with the perfect garage management system.